Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about interpretation. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we can use about the limit for 8 approach to positive infinity. So this one we change for 8. Now about s we can put into 2s and negative s. So number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. This one by s. So s minus number 1, s minus number 1, we can do another factorization. Next, I will put number 3 on numerator and denominator. So number 3 that is about number 2 plus number 1. So we need to add about s. Later that we need to minus about s. This one we can do about factorization by negative number 1. So this one divide by this one, we have number 1 s minus number 1 divide by s minus number 1, you got number 1, and we have like this. So the integration of this one, we have at end of the absolute value of s minus number 1. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of s plus number 2, and we put the bounds from number 2 to 8. And now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. And now I will put 8 and number 2 gone here. So that should be like this. So for this one, we divide by 8 on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. So when 8 approaches to positive infinity, 1 divided by 8, you got number 0. This one, you got number 0. And now we can simplify like this. So Ln number 1, you got number 0. This one, we have 1 over 4. And now we can put like this. This is the end. thank you for watching.